Okay, we bought this vanity set from Amazon, and we're gonna do an assembly and a little review. Okay, so tune in. It comes with the manual. Okay, the vanity set. It looks like that. The manual, and then all the screws and bolts and washer. Okay. Um, It comes with all the tools that you need to do the assembly. Where's the all you need is this Allen wrench here. Okay, so see that, all the screws like that Allen head. So my wife, she's doing the desk. Is it?
The vanity more.
Oh, the vanity, and then I'm doing the chair. Okay, so the chair has two screw here, two there, two here, and two on this side right here. Okay, so there's 8, and then it comes with the washer. See that, the washer, and then the screw. So it's pretty easy. You just fit the leg. You just fit the leg over here, and then you screw it in. So I'm gonna show you guys a little bit of that. Okay, so the last leg I'm gonna show you is you fit it in through here at the corner like this, and just fit the screw in. Okay, like that, and then you do the bottom one too. Fit that in and screw in with your hands, your fingers. Okay. So to speed this up, I'm going to use my impact driver. Okay. So you can hold it like that, and then hold on. Not too tight, just to drive it in to save the time for you guys. I'm gonna use this, and then like that, and then I will use this, the Allen wrench right here, to tighten it up. Okay, so the last leg is on and the screw is tight. So I'm gonna flip this up so you guys can see what it looks like that. Okay, nice chair, sturdy too. Okay, so once we have the whole set up, I'll show you the finished product. Go. Okay, so the leg for the vanity is the same thing. It has 4, but it uses the it uses the shorter. Oh, okay. It uses the same screws. Okay, so there should be like 16 of them. Okay, so for the vanity, there's 2 screws here, 2 on that leg, 2 over there, and then 2 here. So that makes 8. 8 for that one, and then 8 for this chair. So you have the same screws going in the same way with the legs pushing in from the outside here like that. Okay, so letting my wife assemble this. As you can see, it's very simple to do it. Even a woman can do her own vanity here. So she's doing that by hand, and then when the screw goes all the way in there, you can use the Allen key or wrench to tighten it up. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Actually, this is very good for women because, you know, small hands can go in this very tight space here. So you're going to have to be like really patient. You know. So I'm going to pause a little bit. Okay, let her do her thing. And then once she tighten that up, we will flip it over and put the chair and the vanity together. We still need to put up the mirror and put in all the drawers. So I'm gonna let her finish that, tighten this up first with the Allen key or wrench. Okay. That's good. Yeah. Small hands for this one. If your hands can't fit in here, you need to pull the drawer out that way, like that. Pull the drawer out so you can put your hand through the other side, okay? Okay, this is the last leg, okay? So you really need small hands to kind of get in there and turn the Allen wrench, okay? So this is the last leg. So this is the last leg, and then we're gonna flip this over, okay? Okay, all the 3 drawers are in there, so let's see what we need to do next. Okay, so these drawers are like this, okay? As you can see, the handles are on the inside, okay, like that. All the handles came in with the like on the inside. So what you need to do is you're gonna have to unscrew it and then flip it the other way. Okay, so since the knob is on the inside, what you need to do is unscrew it, take it out, put the screw from the inside and your knob on the outside. Okay. You can just do that by hand. Even though it's like a Phillip on the inside, you can just push it like that and turn the knob outside to tighten it up. And do that for all these 3 right here. Okay. Take the screw, put it on the inside, put the knob on the outside, and just press it with your finger, and then just screw the knob tight like that. So when you're done, the knob is on the outside like this, so that way you can close it like that and open. Okay. Okay, so the side mirror leg here, there's one on this side and there will be one on the other side. Go ahead. So we're gonna put this up, okay, and the mirror is gonna go in between. So it's held by 2 screws, okay, on the bottom here, like that. 2 screws here, and then 2 screws here. And my wife is putting this up, so you know, if we messed up, it'd be all her fault, but she's doing a good job. Everything's coming along, okay, and it looks like that, okay, and there's one on this side too. All right. As you can see, we're putting the mirror up between the 2 border or 2 leg that is holding it right there, and it can be done by hand right there. The screw is this one here. That looks like that. Okay, so just align the hole here and the mirror. Okay. And then she's screwing it by hand right there. Make sure you have the washer in between, okay? There's a washer that goes in between the screws there and one here. Don't, okay. So make sure you don't turn it too tight so that you can flip the mirror back and forth. If you don't need to use the mirror, you can flip it like that and store it the other way, okay? But other than that, you know, tighten up how you prefer it, okay? My bad, you don't need the washer here, okay? The washer needs to go on these last two screws here. Yep. So just take it back out, take out the washer, and just screw it back in. Okay, the last piece of the puzzle of this vanity is these two little boxes that is gonna go here, and then one is gonna go here. Okay, so you have one here and one there. These two drawers, okay, and they're held by these screws in the back. See that? So it's gonna go through here, the last two screws. As you can see, she's putting that on right now. Screw right there, using the Allen key. Okay, so it's all provided in the package. And she's putting the last one on. Okay, so this is the finished product, okay? As you can see, with the chair, the drawers, and the mirror. And in a little bit, I'm gonna plug this in and see how it comes out, okay? Okay, so this is product with the vanity light and everything on, okay? I'm gonna see all the drawers, and then got the top drawers, and then you got this side right here. It's very dark in the bedroom, but as you can see, this is like so bright. Yeah, so thank you for checking out these this assembly here, and if you like what you see, please like, share, and subscribe. And if you're thinking about getting one, the link is down below. I am an associate with Amazon, so if you click the link and buy through that, it's kind of like you're helping support this channel. So thank you for coming by, and thank you for your support. Okay, so this is the finished product. Okay. Yesterday we assembled the vanity in the dark at night, so it wasn't clear, but this is this morning's view. Okay.